Welcome back to Activity 21. In this activity, we will be continuing to develop fluency with the wholes of 6, 7, 8 and 9, where it's a two-part bond and one of the parts is 5. So it's 5 and another part joined together to make the whole. The difference with this activity is instead of representing the whole of 6 in a linear or a line way, we are going to change this to represent 6 on an empty 10 frame. I'll take away this block and the 6 will be represented like this. They are our two parts and the whole of 6 is underneath there. They join together to make that whole. Let's begin. You will need 4 5 blocks. 2 of them are blank. They are still worth 5 because they're the same length. You need a 1, 2, 3 and 4 block and 9 counters that are two-sided. Let's start by representing the 6. We're going to fill the 10 frame with 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This top row represents the part of 5, so we do that in one colour. And the second row I've chosen to do a different colour because it represents the part of 1. After we have filled it, going from left to right, we point to the top row and say 5 and 1, pointing to the second row, is 6. We are then going to build the matching representation on this empty 10 frame. We place the 5 block on the top row because that matches these 5 counters, and we place the 1 block here on the second row because that matches this counter. After we've placed them, we say the build. 5 and 1 is 6. I point to each part as I say it, and I point to both parts for the whole. Let's move on to 7. 5 and 2 is 7. I build. 5 and 2 is 7. Let's move on to 8. 5 and 3 is 8. I build. 5 and 3 is 8. And then 9. 5 and 4 is 9. Oops, sorry. 5 and 4 is 9. Now it's your turn to go and repeat this. Once you've had some practice using this board and filling it in counting order, you can fill it in a random order. You'll notice that I've already got the 5 blocks in place and the 5 counters, but my remaining parts, the second part, are in random order. Your teacher may call out 7. We first fill and then point, saying 5 and 2 is 7. We fill and point and say 5 and 2 is 7. Your teacher may then call out 9. I don't clear the board, I just adjust it. And this helps my brain learn that 9 is 2 more than 7. And I say 5 and 4 is 9. I fill first. 5 and 4 is 9. Teacher may say 6. 5 and 1 is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. Your teacher might call out 8. 5 and 3 is 8. 5 and 3 is 8. that's a way that can help you practice the two-part bonds of 6, 7, 8 and 9 that are made up of one part of 5. Now it's your turn.